Hey, let me show you how you can clean the charging port of JBL Charge 6. So first of all, it will be really useful if you got a good lighting condition. Just bring up some flashlight, and as you can see in my case, I've got that like pretty good zoom, so I'm able to take a look inside to inspect the port. And some kind of the household items, like I'm using the sim tool, but it's not recommended to put some metallic parts inside the port. So I'm doing this on my own risk, and if you want to do this, I will recommend you to use some wooden or plastic toothpick, for example. So now you will have to insert that into the port. I will try to put it a little bit closer. I'm gonna lose the focus, never mind. So like this. And you have to gently try to swipe into some directions, like into the one direction actually. So in my case, I will slide into the left side and just gently try to take it off. Try from the second side, and just be patient. Just make some gentle move to don't break anything until you remove everything. You can also try with compressed air. It's optional, but really helpful. So as you can see, still I got inside some pieces of the dust, and it might be really hard to take them off with this sim tool, but we can try out. So yeah, there we go, and now it's finished. So we can try to connect the cable and let me know if it works.